Let's explore how to register flush results in WO6. Suppose that I have a mare and this mare was bred on a date in the past, and today she is expected to have the results. So through WO6, I went to the breeding log, I bred the mare, then I checked the ovulation, and after checking the ovulation, we rescheduled her for a flush today. And just to make things simpler, I use the flush quick data entry instead of going through all those steps. But of course, it's a possibility as well. So now that I have the mare, she could be scheduled and present in my daily worksheet. I open her from her summary card from the daily worksheets, and I can go either from here, or also I could go directly into the flush log and open the flush log from the main menu and have that mare sitting there like she is here waiting for a confirmation today. And then I would go just straight from here. It's another possibility to open her flush log and it shows only her. Either or, highlight the record and double click. Just confirm. If the result is negative, it stops right there, but if it is positive, it's going to ask you for the number of embryos. In this case, I'm going to say that we just got one embryo. I'm going to save. The next step is the embryo analysis, and as soon as I complete this, now the mare is, I have the embryo sitting on the counter waiting for an embryo analysis. This was a positive flush. And to proceed with the embryo analysis, I again, after looking at the microscope and taking a look and making my assessment, I highlight the record again. Down here on the bottom, I can select the button to perform the embryo analysis. I'm going to say that it was 8-day-old, and I'm going to grade it number 1. The size of the embryo is optional, and if you receive the embryo from a different location, it came on a cooled, you could also say that it was a cooled embryo and the number of hours it's been cooled, so it statistically can make a difference. In my case, we just flushed it over here. I'm going to save. And at this time, WO6 sets the ownership automatically for the owner of the donor mare, but it is possible for me to say that the owner of this embryo is somebody else. In this lesson, I'm going to consider the owner of the embryo as the same as the donor mare. So would you like to review ownership? I'm going to say no. And it's complete the process. If I go back to the flush log, it was pending here. And if I refresh, now it's positive and the embryo analysis is done. So now it means that I have an embryo sitting on the counter waiting for me to do something with that embryo. The next step is to go to the embryo transfer log and proceed with the embryo, either transfer and vitrification, which we're going to explore in the next e-learning. Thanks for watching.